Legal passage 100 words per minute. Law general notes. Civil matter. Start. After a few weeks of marriage in USA, the petitioner happened to see the letters sent by email dated 3/5/2002 to the respondent and found the respondent had all kids of illegitimate relationship, and the parents of the petitioner were shocked to know about the contents of the email. The petitioner's parent, who came down to USA after the above incident, suggested to the petitioner to invite the woman the sent the email and her husband for a dinner in the house. After the dinner was over, the petitioner's father called the girl, the questioned about the contents of the alleged letter, and immediately thereafter she ran out of the house, even without wearing her shoes. The respondent, who was sitting in the other room, got furious and started fighting with the petitioner. 2. The respondent used to bring lot of guests in the week end and insist the petitioner to prepare food for all of them, and the parties will continue throughout the night, making the petitioner nervous. Third, the respondent, who purchased a new car in USA, insisted the petitioner to drive at a very high speed. 4. When the petitioner got convinced, the respondent never had any sympathy towards the petitioner and insisted to terminate her pregnancy at her cost and tortured her without providing any food. And contrary to the above, the respondent also forced her to eat unbelievable quantities of food, which only made the petitioner sick for days together. At the insistence of the respondent, the petitioner got her pregnancy terminated. 5. The petitioner had a successful career in films before her marriage. Respondent wanted to transfer all the amounts that she earned into the joint account. 6. The respondent used to lock up the petitioner, making her lonely, that increased the depression. The respondent used to abuse the petitioner and used to pick up quarrel for travel things, to indulged in character assassination, and the petitioner had no opinion but to escape for the cultures of the respondent. The petitioner, being a Bharata Nayak dancer accepted on offer by a private TV channel in India, came down to the India on 13/1/2003. Thereafter, the parents of the petitioner at Chennai questioned the believer of the respondent over phone. The respondent avoided interaction with the parents of the petitioner, and on the contrary, he started sending emails to the petitioner containing false and malicious allegations against her and her parents, and thereby inflicting mental cruelty to the petitioner. The petitioners was invited for a culture program in USA starting from 25/4/2003 to 9/5/2003. He said program were to have 12 shows to be performed from various cities in USA. In one of the programs held on 3/5/2003 at Adults, the respondent bagged the program in without the permission of the security officer, and Mengelsin advanced towards the petitioner to attack her in the presence of her mother, and fortunately the security personnel prevented the mother towards incident happening on the day. After the petitioner turned to India, the respondent started sending threatening emails that if she proceeded to go ahead her career, he would back out the marriage. when the petitioner came to India in January 2003 in a hurry with a view to safeguard herself for the respondent. She left her personal belongings such as clothes, daily used jewelries, and valuable gadgets and cash in foreign currencies. The petitioner sent an email letter dated 12/6/2003 asking him to hand over all the valuable belonging to her. When the respondent came to Chennai in June 2003, he did not hand over any valuable, including the jewelry items, to the petitioner. Instead, he gave a suitcase to her father containing old clothes. Stop.